on shower heads, it really allows you to have a really great experience and save water at the same time. We're big supporters in the community with the EPA WaterSense program. All of our lavatories are WaterSense labeled for all of our brands. So we're very conscientious in that respect of a company that we really want to be doing the right things. And we are doing the right things for our environment.
There was actually a woman on here who took the time to write a poem about the shower head. It floors me to go through it, but it's interesting because these are real people using that technology.
There's been a lot of stuff going on around how people interact with faucets. And we've done a lot of what we do ethnographic research where we literally video people and how they interact and use a faucet. And one of that areas was in the kitchen. And we've come out with our kitchen faucet, which basically allows you to manually turn the water on and off. But the biggest feature of all of it is that I can touch to turn it on and off just by touching the faucet. And I can touch it in a variety of places. So if you think about, for instance, if you've got dirty hands or you've been doing the chicken, and typically you come over here and you start touching this and you're always cleaning and you're always transferring all that bacteria, by just being able to touch the faucet, it really takes it to a whole new level. It's kind of interesting for people who actually put them in and then they go to somebody else's house and they're over there tapping on the faucet because it's not working, you know, because they get so used to it. So by watching how people interact, we were able to introduce the technology into this area. At the same time, if you think about it, a lot of people would walk over and just turn a faucet on, walk away and do things. This is another way to save water and save energy because tapping it on and off, tapping it on and off with different parts of your hands or your elbows or your arms allows you to save some of that water you're not using. We're also getting ready to be taking it into the bathroom. We did not go with touch. We went with proximity. It does not use IR sensor, which is typical in like the airport restaurants where you use a beam and you break that beam, and we all know how frustrating that is when we've gone into the restrooms at the airport. This literally what we do is we put a shield around this faucet so I can come in at different angles and literally turn this faucet on and off without touching it. Again, it stays on for a predetermined time. I do my business, wash my hands, and I walk away from that. So what it really does is allow you to control how you use the faucets again. So electronics is taking us again to a whole new level. Information, you can go to our website, which is www.deltafaucet.com, or you can call 1-800-345-DELTA.